Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an EA account. Let's go. First, open your browser. Then go to ea.com. Please click on Profile. Then choose Create Account. In this box, you should enter your email address. Then select Next. In this box, you should enter your public ID. This will be your public identity across EA games and sites. Then create your password. After that, confirm your password. In this step, you should choose a question. Here are 14 questions you can choose from. For example, I choose what is the name of your favorite pet? Then answer your question. Please choose your country or region. Then enter your birthday. For example, this is month, this is day, and this is year. If you want to get news or events from EA, you can check the first box. After that, check the second box. Then select Next. Here you can enter your first name, and this is optional. Then you can enter your last name, and this is optional too. If you want, you can choose your avatar. There are thousands of avatars here. Let's go to Upload Image. You can upload image from your computer if you select Browse. Let's go to Avatar Gallery. Let me choose one of them and then select Save. If you want, you can skip this item. And if you don't, please select Sign Up. In this step, you should go to your email. Please open your mail. And this is your security code. Please enter your security code here. Then click on Continue. Select Get Started. Well done. Now you have a new EA account. Let's go to Profile. Then select Account Settings. And this is your EA ID. And this is your real name. And you can change your avatar photo. There are a lot of options here. For example, you can change your password in security and add payment methods, or you can change your basic information. You can also add your phone number here. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe this YouTube channel.